In the shadow of modern naval defense, a new power has emerged. Unveiled in the United States, this is the future of unmanned maritime dominance. Capable of carrying up to 4.5 tons of payload, including fuel and high-grade weaponry, this vessel is built for maximum impact. At the recent Sea Airspace exhibition near Washington, the industry caught its first glimpse of a formidable new player. Developed by Baltimore-based BlackSea Technologies, this heavily armed unmanned surface vehicle is known simply as Comet. The foundation of its power lies in a 13-meter semi-planing aluminum hull, engineered for both stealth and stability. This design allows the Comet to reach blistering speeds of over 45 knots, prioritizing rapid response and extreme maneuverability. Every curve of the Comet is designed to reinforce a sense of motion and power, ensuring it remains a difficult target to track. But speed is only half the story. The Comet is a floating fortress packed with state-of-the-art combat systems. At its core is a precision two-rail missile launcher capable of delivering lethal force from a safe distance. Advanced electro-optical targeting systems and navigation radar provide the Comet with unmatched situational awareness in any environment. Each system works in perfect harmony, analyzed in real time by onboard processors to ensure mission success. Designed for versatility, its mission profile includes robust air defense and high-precision strikes against naval targets. It is equally at home in the realms of electronic warfare and anti-submarine operations, providing a multi-layered defense. The name Comet is a tribute to a 19th-century Baltimore privateer, bridging a legacy of naval courage with tomorrow's technology. The technical specifications are equally impressive. The vessel measures 13.1 meters in length and 2.9 meters in width. Powering this machine are two Volvo D6 engines, providing the raw torque needed for high-stakes maritime intercepts. Its maximum speed exceeds 45 knots. That's approximately 83 kilometers per hour on the open sea. With a 1,500-kilogram payload, the Comet boasts a range of up to 1,000 nautical miles at 40 knots. For heavier operations, it can carry 3,000 kilograms over 500 nautical miles at a steady 20 knots. Remarkably, BlackSea Technologies developed the Comet in just 1 month, a testament to rapid response engineering. This was possible by using a proven hull design that has served the U.S. Navy reliably for more than 2 decades. The Comet's true strength lies in its modular architecture, featuring unified interfaces at the front and rear. This allows for rapid reconfiguration, transforming the vessel for mine warfare, surveillance, or electronic defense in minutes. The presence of interceptor missiles on deck is a clear signal. The Comet is always combat ready. It can engage drones, helicopters, and low-flying aircraft, providing a shield for the fleet without risking human crews. Equipped with an advanced control system, the Comet supports fully autonomous navigation and remote operations. It integrates seamlessly into naval combat networks, acting as a force multiplier in complex maritime theaters. The concept of swarm operations becomes reality here, where coordinated groups of unmanned systems can overwhelm any threat. The Comet represents a bold new step in naval warfare, a platform that is fast, autonomous, and undeniably lethal. In the race for maritime superiority, the Comet is leading the charge into the unmanned future. Like this video if you're ready for the future of tech, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most advanced systems.